Hi, my name is Eric, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to a PDF on a Mac. And I'm also going to show you how you can even create a clickable table of contents as well. So the tool that I'm showing you here is actually called Wondershare PDFElement Pro. Wondershare being the parent company, PDFElement Pro being the software. Now, if you're curious, what you do is on the left-hand side here, you'd click link, and you'll notice that when you do that, these items up here will change as you click things. So what we're looking at here is there's two possible things you can do. You can add links to a PDF file, so you go to a specific page. So this is helpful if, let's say, if somebody clicks on this logo here that I had created, what I wanted to do is I wanted to open up into the first page of different logo variations. So what that'll do now is it'll open up to page 2, and then if I want to click and make a link, an external link right here, all I'm going to do is do that, and then I have a Google pitch deck here. All right, and again, this is just for example purposes. I'm not actually doing this for this PDF. And then what you'll want to do is just file and then click save as. So now what we're looking at here is just in a preview mode of this PDF, and you'll notice that if I click on this link now, it is a link for brand guidelines. So this is opening up a pitch deck that I use as an affiliate marketer, and as I mentioned that, I should mention the link in the description below is an affiliate link. So if you do purchase through my link, I'll make a small commission, but it's also the best possible price for you. And speaking of price, I have that opened up right here as I'm making this video. If you're to do a perpetual license, so it's good in perpetuity, it's $119. If you go with the yearly plan, it's $69. I do recommend their most popular plan here with the Pro version, because that's going to give you all the functionality that you can see on the screen right here. And it'll save you a lot of time, especially if you get into optical character recognition, which is called OCR. That allows you to take a PDF and it'll just recognize all the characters, and you can edit anything on a PDF. If you ever need to drop a digital signature in a PDF, you can do that as well with this tool. So again, that link is in the description below. And then the last thing I wanted to show you too is if you now click on this bear, what it'll do is it'll take you to page 2. So you can see how that works as well, which is very helpful if you're trying to create a table of contents or just make a document more fluid and easy to navigate. And now I'm going to catch you in this next video here. This is a full tutorial of PDFElement Pro specifically for Mac users. So I'm going to show you how this tool can save you time so you can free yourself up to do your best work. All right, guys, I'll catch you in this next video.